Game like a tour, you so special. I'm here to work hard, teenage being a chami tambo. Itiba zwenda tera, chingo tera, zwami shasho.
Welcome back. So I played you the track in there, it's also available on Slicker Online. Blaq I featuring Skidi, Avhude. One thing I couldn't play you the trailer. If I play the trailer before the track, because then I had to listen to the song. The first thing I came across this trailer of the music video now could drop soon. Uno shutwanga Z film, one of the greatest videographer and venda. You know, like we having more and more. Like I'm loving how we give them the chance. That's not just being a charge. So I'm loving how Suzuki Tianga and we taking our art and crafts very serious and Maduba. I guess I go and I visa and if you ain't a hit shit, dude, if you're making it online, how are you gonna make it on radio? So I want you to check this out. And one thing I love about this trailer is my boy Rutendo, the one who revolutionized the bicycle. That's what cutters bicycle extend you and I that kid is talented. As bicycle, man. He's right there on the video. Thanks for hooking up my little boy. That kid Kabasgira is something else. Yo, I'll tell you that. Even though the one on any akotamba on I guess probably no Vua is doing something about Basgira, but I want you to check this trailer. Let me play it for you. Then I'm gonna play the second trailer after this one because there's two trailers. So I'm gonna give you two trailers. Come on. Yeah, Adred Bates, big up. Check out this thing, Baba. Ha. Avhude. Blaq I featuring Skidi. What I love, man. This. Check out that's the kid. The one, this kid is something else. But beside the kid, like, check the footage, man. Check the color. Man. Yeah, man, that's the trailer. The first one. So I'm gonna play you the second trailer in there. Man, it's way dope. It's way dope, man. Let me do this first.
Every day's a celebration. They can never stop us. Bangasi very mageta para skelam key. Game like a tour, you so special. I'm here to work hard, teenage being a chami tambo. Itiba zwenda tera, chingo tera, zwami shasho.
We need to give it their heart because you saw the trailer. Wait, it's dope, man. This is some crazy shit that you need to say when it drops. This video, like, yo, man, see film, Blaq, yo, like the whole team, everybody that was involved in this video, guys, you did a great job. This as you are called the Zubu, ya record Zubon and Zukuti, okay, Kodi, check this little space.
Mucho achiri rubiri. Rigoribu wa mubiri. Mucho achiri rubiri. Bring it on there, Avhude.
Damn it. All I want to see, like, I want to see this video on TV. I want to see it on social media. I want to see everybody watching this thing, sharing it. Let's make it trend. Like, oh man, Blaq I, like, respect for the great work you've done. Skidi, thanks, killing off the hook and everything. Z film, dope content, dope footage, and then we take it through way to Droid Beats, thanks for giving these guys majita yani beat zine za warranty za budisa nenga zina ndidoka ndisuhana ndi mwana ndi wa mahungoni Twitter ndi nema vanrap radio _ nema ndi Instagram nema wa mahungoni ndi Facebook and then Venda Music Entertainment ndi YouTube kana nankwama 0826937124 the website ndi renderfiles.co.za kana www.vanrapradiostation.co.za ndoni download music kwa mahara kana upload music kwa mahara. I love the content. I love what is great. I love everything that was already dissolved. I'm like, I'm blessing days, man. I'm real. I'm proud. Come on. So I don't know what you guys. But neribadzimu mwali rarubimba bana bashidupadziwa bana bakushuma na magomba kombayani ari bashidupadze batike we mwali basikone bakongosika hone ndenderi amara here. Songo fani chipirera. You know how to check me out. Booyaka!